Hi, in this video, I'll be walking through the delete method of a linked list. Like any other method, it requires you to traverse through each and every node in the linked list and checks. In this case, to check the target is equal to the data, the current data. So to start, if our linked list is empty, we simply have to return empty because there's no node to delete. So if there are nodes in the linked list. So let's say we have a linked list of 4 nodes. If our self.head.data is equals to the target, so our target right now is equals to 3. So the head.data is equals to 3. We simply have to set the new head as the head.next. So head.next is the second node, after which we can see that our code is actually finished. It's completed because the first node right now is not the head anymore, and there is no other nodes in the linked list that is pointing back to the first node. So that's how we delete the first node. So what if the node is not equal to the first node? Our target is not equal to the first node. So let's say we have 6, for example. So like other methods, we have to set a current. However, we have to include a previous as well for this in this case. So why? I'll illustrate after we have reached the fourth node. So when we go into the while statement, we check if our current is not equals to none and if current data is not equals to target, which is true. Current points to the first node, 3 is not equal to 6. After which we shift the previous and the current to the next node as such. And we check again. 4 is not equal to 6 and current is pointing to that node. So we shift previous and current again. So current.data is not equals to 6. Current is pointing to the third node. So we shift the current and previous again. So now current.data is equals to 6. So this while loop now is terminated and we move on to the if statement. So if current is pointing to something and current.data is equals to target, which is true, this line is run. So previous.next is equal to current.next. So our previous.next right now is the current node of CUR car. So instead of this, we now point to none. So now this node right here is being isolated and it's not part of the linked list anymore because no node in the linked list points back to current. So that is how we delete the fourth node. So let's say we have a target that is not in the linked list, which is 7, let's say. So after we have reached our previous and current, so current is pointing to a node, but 6 is not equal to 7. So we move this 2 once again to the right, to the next node. So now current is none. So the while loop is terminated, but then it checks if current is none, which is it is none. So this if statement does not run and jumps to the else statement, which then prints target not found, since we have already traversed through every node in the linked list and we have not found the target, which is 7. So that's why the target is not found. That's it for the delete method. Thank you.